Hey, if you're thinking you want to do something that is special in July and something that will transform your life and change your life, I welcome you all to attend the initiation and darshan that is provided by the Kailasa, His Holiness Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Bhagwan Sri Nityananda Paramashivam, will be there and he will be giving us the most important initiations with powerful cognitions. Every year, Swamiji has taken us higher and higher and higher in our understanding, and He has created more and more space in us. We may look the same, but our capacities have improved, our capabilities have improved, and most importantly, our intelligence seems to flow. If I was thinking or doing any of those things, by now I would have lost either my temper or my intelligence. But because it is the initiation of Swamiji, you are able to hold that peace. You're able to listen. You're able to run your life beautifully with the blessings of Bhagavan. One initiation. One initiation, that's all you need. Because it's like a cosmic seed that is planted in you. That initiation you can water every day by attending satsang. Listen to satsang, Swamiji's satsang every day. This seed will continue to grow and grow and grow. It will become like a big banyan tree. Come, receive that seed. Because Guru can initiate you through many ways. Through Nayana Diksha, through Sparsha Diksha, through even Vak Diksha, or through Jnana Diksha. He can transform you. How can Guru transform us? It is like this. I want to know what is in my land. I can just stand on the third floor of my house and I can see whatever is around me. I want to know what is in my neighborhood. I can just get a drone that will show me everything that is in my neighborhood. I want to know what is in my whole county. I need to get a plane. But if I want to know what is beyond all these, I need a person, a being who can transcend time, space, and give you the guidance. That is Swamiji. That is the blessing we get when we are with the Guru. Immensely showered to us. What will the Guru take from us? Nothing. We give Bhiksha. He receives Bhiksha, so our karma is removed. So offer Bhiksha on Guru Purnima. Don't miss Guru Purnima, Shivaratri. Those are wonderful days to offer Bhiksha to Guru. Don't miss. And come for most important, come for darshan and receive all the healing, all the blessing, everything that Swamiji is showering on us. Swamiji is so compassionate. All over the world he is doing Annadan regularly. He is conducting free courses so people we can experience enlightenment. It's happening in Antigua and Barbados. Welcome all of you to attend that one also. But the most important thing that Swamiji is giving you is a gift of your life to yourself. He is showing your higher possibility to yourself. Nobody in this life can show us what our higher possibility is. Even if they are showing, we may have doubts with them, we may have incompletion with them. But with the Guru, when he shows our higher possibilities, we can receive it with gratitude, with completion. And that will just keep helping us to grow and grow and grow. Guru is one figure in our life who is a friend more than a friend, relative more than a relative. He is a best advisor more than an advisor. Does he not? You can ask him for anything. See, in friendships, sometimes we ask a friend, hey, can you help me do this? They usually weaponize that information against you. Sometime or the other, they will use it. But a guru knows all this information but does not take advantage of you. He only guides you to your highest possibility. Every step, that is his concern. How can I make my children enlightened? How can I give this gift that I have come to give? It's like, in olden days we used to have grandmothers or grandfathers who have lived long life and they're seeing their great grandchildren. They had grandchildren and they have had children, so now they're seeing their great grandchildren. What are they thinking and seeing? They're thinking, if I give them an advice, these children will be able to escape many of the mistakes we made in life. Focus on things that matter so we can raise higher in life. If you have risen higher in life than any of your ancestors, it's because there was a blessing of your ancestor. And because you have their blessings, now you have infinite blessing. It is infinity multiplied when a guru blesses you. So do not miss Guru Purnima. Please come and attend the darshan. The details are in the description below. Nityanandam.